Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we'll be making a really refreshing breakfast recipe for a smoothie bowl. All we'll be doing is whipping up a tasty smoothie, pouring it into a bowl, then topping it off with fresh fruits, granola and garnished with some mint. This is the perfect breakfast recipe to set you up for the day. Now to start with, we'll prepare the ingredients for our smoothie. So take one washed pear and then chop into chunks. Then add the pear to either a blender jug or a personal blender, along with 50 grams of chopped frozen pineapple and 50 grams of frozen summer fruits. Also pour in 50 grams of Greek style natural yogurt and 25 milliliters of apple juice. And now simply blitz these ingredients until nice and smooth. And if you have trouble blending it, simply add a drop more apple juice until it begins to blitz. So, when you're happy with the consistency of the smoothie, simply pour it into a bowl and then we'll prepare the ingredients to place on top. Take 60 grams of strawberries, a nectarine and 40 grams of yellow melon and chop the strawberries and slice your nectarine and melon. And now simply layer your chopped and sliced fruit on top of the smoothie along with about 20 grams of granola. And finally drizzle over some more Greek style natural yogurt and garnish with some freshly chopped mint. And there you have it, that's how to make your very own super refreshing smoothie bowl, the perfect breakfast recipe to set you up for the day.